Hello and welcome friends. In this lecture we discuss about differential equations which are reducible to linear form of the differential equations. These equations are also known as Bernoulli's equations. The general form of this Bernoulli equations to linear form is as follows. Here these equations are of the type dy by dx plus py equal to q into y raised to n, where the terms p and q are functions of x or constant. Then to solve such a type of equation, we divide this equation by y raised to n. So dividing by y raised to n, we get y raised to minus n into dy by dx plus y raised to minus n plus 1 into p equal to q. Now multiply this equation by minus n plus 1. So multiplying by minus n plus 1, this implies minus n plus 1 y raised to minus n into dy by dx plus minus n plus 1 p into y raised to minus n plus 1 equal to minus n plus 1 into q. So what is the first step? In this first step we have divided throughout by y raised to n. Then we have multiplied by minus n plus 1. Now next we put y raised to minus n plus 1 equal to v. Then you can see that the derivative of this term minus n plus 1 into y raised to minus n into dy by dx equal to dv by dx. So here the equation is dv by dx plus minus n plus 1 p into v equal to minus n plus 1 into q. You can see that this equation is converted into linear differential equation, so which can be solvable by the method where we have seen the integrating factor, how to find the integrating factor and how to solve these equations. So first term or first step of this type of equation is we have to divide by y raised to n, then multiply by minus n plus 1 and then substitution. If we put y raised to minus n plus 1 equal to v, we arrive at the differential equation. This is a linear differential equation, and we have seen how to solve this type of equation. If you do not know or if you have not seen the video of linear differential equation, I will suggest you please watch before this video, and then your idea about these equations reducible to linear differential equations will be cleared. Now, we see examples. By using that examples, our ideas regarding these equations, Bernoulli's equation, will be more clear. So, let us see the example. Solve dy by dx plus 1 by x into y equal to x square into y raised to 6. Here friend, you can see that the term y raised to n is here y raised to 6. So, we first divide throughout by y raised to 6. So, that we get by dividing y raised to 6, this will be y raised to minus 6 into dy by dx plus 1 by x into y raised to minus 5 equal to x square. Now, this is by dividing y raised to n or by dividing y raised to 6. Now, multiply second step, this is my first step. What is second step? Multiply by minus n plus 1. Look at this, compare this with y raised to n, so that your value of n will be 6, and hence minus n plus 1 in this case will be minus 6 plus 1, and this will be minus 5. So, let us multiply this equation by minus 5. Minus 5 y raised to minus 6 into dy by dx minus 5 divided by x y raised to minus 5 equal to minus 5 into x square. Okay. Now, let us put y raised to minus 5 equal to v. Then you can see that y raised to minus 5 into y raised to minus 6 into dy by dx equal to dv by dx. So, we have this term, look at this. Okay. Then let us put this value, therefore, the above equation will be dv by dx minus 5 divided by x into v equal to minus 5 into x square. Now, this is linear equation in which the value of p here, the value of p equal to minus 5 divided by x and q equal to minus 5 x square. Therefore, the integrating factor equal to e raised to minus 5 divided by x into dx equal to e raised to minus 5 into log of x or e raised to log of x raised to minus 5. Log and e cancelled, and we get x raised to minus 5, and here the solution is v into integrating factor x raised to minus 5 equal to integrating factor x raised to minus 5 into q. What is q? Minus 5 x square into dx plus c. Let us solve this integration. Minus 5 into x raised to minus 2 into x square. So, this is equal to x raised to minus 3 into dx plus c equal to minus 5 into x raised to minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c. Minus minus become plus 5 divided by 2 x raised to minus 2 plus c. Now, multiply this equation, this v into x raised to minus 5, or transfer this term to this side, and we get here v equal to, what is v? V is y raised to minus 5 equal to 5 divided by 2 into x cube plus c into x raised to 5, c into x raised to 5. This is the solution of this equation. So, here you can see that how to solve this type of equation. What is the first step in this type of equation is to obtain the solution, we have to divide this type of equation by y raised to minus 6 or y raised to n, then multiply by minus n plus 1 and then substitute y raised to minus n plus 1 equal to v, and the given equation then will be converted into linear equations, which is easy for solvable. Let us see one more example. I will make some space so that we can see one more example. Solve dy by dx plus 2 divided by x into y equal to 3x square into y raised to 4 by 3. Now, friend, here you can see that in the q we have a y term. So, this equation is not an linear equation. Hence, as per the first step, what is our first step? Divide this equation by dividing by y raised to n. Y raised to n, here what is y raised to n? Y raised to 4 divided by 3. So, we divide this equation by y raised to 4 by 3, that will be minus 4 divided by 3 into dy by dx plus 2 divided by x into y raised to minus 4 by 3 plus 1 equal to 3 into x square. Okay. Now, you can see that minus 4 by 3 plus 1, let us take the LCM. So, this will be minus 4 plus 3 divided by 3 equal to minus 1 by 3. I will write this minus 4 by 3 into dy by dx plus 2 divided by x into y raised to minus 1 by 3 equal to 3 into x square. What is next step? Then we have to multiply by minus n plus 1, that means this term minus n plus 1. What is if we take compare this with y raised to n, then what is n? N is equal to 4 by 3. So, in the second step we have to multiply by minus n plus 1. What is minus n plus 1? That is minus 1 by 3. We multiply this equation by minus 1 by 3 y raised to minus 4 by 3 into dy by dx minus 2 divided by 3 into x y raised to minus 1 by 3 equal to minus 3 get cancel minus x square. Okay. Now, in the third step we have to put y raised to minus n plus 1. So, here y raised to minus n plus 1 is minus 1 by 3. We have to put here y raised to minus 1 by 3 equal to v. So, to solve this equation, let us put y raised to minus 1 by 3 equal to v. This implies minus 1 by 3 y raised to minus 4 by 3 into dy by dx equal to dv by dx. Okay. Now, so you can see that this is equal to dv by dx minus 2 by 3 into x into v equal to minus x square. So, this is a linear differential equation in v and x. Now you can see that here P equal to minus 2 divided by 3x, Q equal to minus x square. Let us find here integrating factor equal to e raised to minus e raised to px, that is minus 2 divided by 3 integration of 1 by x into dx equal to e raised to minus 2 by 3 into log of x, and this will be x raised to minus 2 by 3. Then solution is what? V into x raised to minus 2 by 3 equal to integration of x raised to minus 2 by 3 into q minus x square into dx plus c. Okay. So, here you can see that minus 2 by 3 plus 2 indices, addition of the indices, LCM is 3 divided by 3 equal to 3 into 2 6, 6 minus 2 4. So, 4 divided by 3. Hence, we have this is minus integration of x raised to 4 by 3 into dx plus c equal to minus x raised to 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3 plus 1. Now 5 by 3, let me add this 5 by 4 by 3, 4 by 3 plus 1 equal to 3 LCM 4 plus 3 divided by 3 equal to 7 by 3, and hence here we get 7 by 3 divided by 7 by 3 plus c equal to minus 3 divided by 7 x raised to 7 by 3 plus c. This is what? This is my v into x raised to minus 2 by 3. Now transfer this term to this side. If we transfer this term, we get the required relation. Okay. So, what is our substitution? So, v, what is v? v is y raised to 1 by 3. Hence, we have v equal to y raised to minus 1 by 3 equal to, we are transferring this term, minus 3 divided by 7 into x raised to 7 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus c into x raised to 2 by 3. Okay. So, this is 9 by 3 and 9 by 3 means cube minus 3 divided by 7 into x cube plus c into x raised to 2 by 3. This is my solution of the given differential equation. Okay. So, friend, this is a very simple method where first we have divided by y raised to n, then we have multiplied by minus n plus 1, and then we have substituted the term y raised to minus n plus 1 equal to v. This process is very clear, and hope